Hi, it's Lynette here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is the finale of my 2022 item declutter, which I did in 2022 with the wonderful Lottie. Her channel's Planet Lottie, and I will link her video below. So we've done this for 2 years running actually, and I actually got to the point where I thought, is there anything else I can declutter? So it's not just about decluttering or binning things, it's about, you know, going through what you no longer need, putting things into charity, giving things away, clearing things out and using things up. So that's the most important thing for me, is just actually trying to use up what I have. So there's still lots, but I actually made it. So I'm going to go through the final figures. So we started off in January, so a whole year ago, and the first month I decluttered 348 items. 2 months after that, in March, we done another update and there was 261 items. Then in May, 503. That was a good month too. July, so we've done it every kind of second month. July 432, September 243. In November we didn't film, so we rolled on October, November and December together. So at the end of the year, for those 3 months, I had a total of 406 items. So that took me to a total of 2,193. So I did it, I smashed it. So I was absolutely delighted because I had 237 to go and I wasn't sure if I was going to make it, but I did. So I haven't actually kept totals of everything that I've given away, like what they were or what I've decluttered, which I usually do. I ripped them up the other day when I was trying to sort this out. But in total over the 3 months, I've given away 143 items. So some of them are makeup, skincare, books, magazines, dog treats, dog toys, leads, all sorts of different things. I've decluttered a total of 89 items. So some of that was just things like dried up pens, hair baubles, bits and pieces, broken things, things that are no longer used that I couldn't pass on to charity. There was also 73 items that went to the charity shop. That was mainly clothes and bits and pieces. And I added 2 months worth of empties onto this, and there was 101 items. So I just want to thank you for kind of joining me, you know, as I've gone along this. But what I will be doing for 2023 is I won't be doing the declutter in this way. I'll be doing a video and I'll ask you to join in. I want this to be something that we can all do together and set challenges. And I think what I will do is set up either a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group, which is kind of similar to WhatsApp. I send the invitation if anybody's interested. So we can set challenges. So, you know, declutter our wardrobe, you know, prepare an inventory. So for me, my inventory will be skincare and makeup. I'm not going to go through all my clothes and bags and things, but I can talk a little bit about that when I do the video. So anyway, I hope you enjoy some of the next clips, which will show you not everything, but a large majority of the things that I decluttered. And I hope you had a fantastic New Year and a fantastic Christmas, and I will be back soon to discuss some of my channel changes. Take care, bye bye. So I'm not going to make this a really long video, but there's 33 different items here for the charity shop. There's bed linen, there's clothes, there's makeup, there's, you know, those are nail polishes and handbags and bits and pieces, tops and trousers and all the rest of it. So 33 items for the charity. There are 47 items here for declutter. Some of them might go into the charity bag as well. So tops that are just kind of fit for the bins, broken toys, a bath mat that Lola got hold of. It was a very nice bath mat as well, I liked it. I chewed it to bits. A broken bag, makeup bag, loads of toys that she's just kind of destroyed. This was actually Stephen's. It was actually bought as a replacement from my friend who picked it up from Singapore. He had one of these that his friend brought back from Hong Kong, I think, but it was larger feathers and busted at them. And then the other week there, Lola snuck into his room, stole this and broke it. So yeah, that's a shame, but that's the life of dogs. So So yeah, I think there's 47 items. I'm not going to go through them individually. So this month I'm going to include empties. I thought I'd just kind of count them out on the floor rather than standing them all up and making them look neat and counting them out. And Lola's come for a wee rummage. Hey Lola. So I've got 37 empties this month. Got to watch her because she eats plastic. So yeah, she probably thinks this all looks amazing, but she's not getting any. But thanks Lola, thanks for your help. So I actually got these all together because I've got to get them ready to sort out, and I think I've just forgot the number, but I think there's 39 items in this bit that I'm giving away. There will be more. So I have 10 items from the fridge and from the cupboard that have been in there for God knows how long that are being decluttered. There are 6 books that I am decluttering. There might be some more, but there's only 6 I could find just now. So I'm not going to go through all of these, they're on my empties videos, but there's 64 empties being included in my declutter. So I've just been having one final kind of declutter, and these are all things for the bin. So there's 72 items, so yep, more flip-flops. I was going to keep this just for housework and things. I've got bleach on it, but life's too, I'm just trying to declutter as much as I can. Got these for Lola, obviously with her allergies, just going to bin them. I do like to try, if there's anything that I can pass on, but everything here is kind of dead or done. All those pens, all kind of run out. So yep, 72 items, old cushion covers, bits and pieces, you know, rubber gloves that Lola got hold of, socks that Lola got hold of, all the rest of it. And so I've had another kind of good declutter of the wardrobes and things. So there's 41 items of clothing and bits and pieces and like little handbag and stuff that are for the charity shop. I will fold them obviously.